Kung sakaling you're worried, you're doubtful, you're afraid because of your past or because of your mistakes, ano sasabi ng Diyos? Balik ka sa akin. Nagkamali ka, balik ka sa akin. Hindi naman kita tatanggihan. Balik ka sa akin. In fact, for us Christians, lalong napakapalad natin. Why? Because the Lord Jesus Christ already accomplished everything the law requires. Kaya we are righteous before God as righteous as Jesus. Are you following? Andiyan ka pa kayo? Okay, sabi ng Lord, nadapa ka, balik ka na. Balik ka na, huwag ka na magpatagal-tagal pa, balik ka na. What I'm trying to say is this. Kung sakali na you are dwelling in your past, wala na pang pag-asa, dami kong pagkakamali na nakaraan. Forget it. Lahat tayo nagkamali in the past. Are you following? Banish your doubts. Sa totoo lang, si Moses, murderer, ginamit ng Diyos. Si Abraham, liar, ginamit ng Diyos. Si Jacob, manloloko, mandarambong, ginamit ng Diyos. Binigyan ng pag-asa ng Diyos. Nabalik tayo. Si Isaiah, hubot-hubad na nagpipreach. Who would dare to listen? Naintindihan ninyo? Mas malupit si Lazaro, patay. Ginamit ng Diyos. Pakisabi mo sa katabi mo, pwede ka pa rin gamitin ng Diyos. You see, if God will look for perfect people to be used by God, wala nang mapipili sa atin. Wala na siyang magagamit because we are all imperfect people.